Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So now in this video I'm going to be showing you that how can you basically work with the menus, okay, and then how can you make your homepage actually the homepage. So you can see that this is, if I just visit my homepage in a new tab, then you can see it says itonzeal.com/home, which I want to make my actual homepage so that it should be my homepage. If I just visit this, it should be the homepage. Okay, I want it to be the homepage. This page should not be coming. So for that, what I have to do, I have to just go to the settings, okay, and then I have to go to reading. Okay, just don't mess with anything, guys. We will be working up with the settings and everything later on. We will discuss it, okay, but first do as I am saying. Okay, and it says your homepage displays a static page or your latest post. So you have to select this. Okay, you have to select this option, and here it says select your homepage. Okay, I want to select it, and here are all the list of pages that we have in the list of pages. Okay, so if you just go to all pages, it is grabbing the list of all the pages in this here, and it says to select that which page you want your homepage to be. So let's suppose that I want to select my homepage because I want my homepage to be my actual homepage. Okay, that's all you have to do. You have to just come here, and then you have to hit save and change, save changes. Okay, and now what you have to do when we will visit our homepage. Now let's see how our website looks. Okay, you can see this is how it is looking, and now here it is showing the home page instead of the post that was coming. And now here you can see everything is coming, and this is our actual home page, and it is not showing /home. So if you just go to the list of all pages right now, then you will see it says front page, that we have assigned our this home to be the front page. And now we are totally done with the pages. We now know everything about the pages. We know how to create a page and how to assign that page as the home page. So congratulations, guys. Now we have to work on the menu side as well. Okay, like how to create a menu and how to add that menu, because menu is important. Okay, so let's just go ahead, and here in the appearance, you can see we have themes, we have customize, we have widgets, and then we have the menus right here. So you have to select here, and here you will see a new window that will say like edit your menu below or create a new menu. So we basically want to create our menu, and let's just name it as the menu 1. So I'm going to name it as the menu 1, and now I'm going to go ahead and I am going to just hit create menu. So now you can see that this menu will be created, and here you can see everything is totally right. So I'm just going to add the list of pages so that I want to add in my page. So I want to add this home page, I want to add this about page, and I want to add this contact us page. And I'm going to hit add to menu, and you can see they're right here. So what I can do, I can just bring this to top to make it like the first page, and then I can bring this about to top to make it like the second one. And let's just go ahead and let's save the menu, and let's see if this menu appears, or we have to do another thing as well. So I'm just going to come here and I'm going to refresh this. Okay, you can see that menu is not appearing. The reason is that we haven't assigned the location that where we want the menu to be displayed. So we have the options, display location to be like top menu or the social links menu. So I want to select the top menu because we are creating a main menu, and I'm going to hit save menu. Let's just go ahead and let's save it. Let's refresh this, and now you can see how the menu is looking. So here you can see we have this home, about us, and the contact us, and the menu is coming exactly. So you can see how great it is looking. If I just click here about us, you can see it takes us to the about us page. We have the title here, and we have the whole content right here, and we have also the contact us page. So if you just select contact us, you can see it says contact us. We have the phone number, and we have the address, and we have the main address as well. So let's just go ahead and let's copy this page, and let's open this in our private window so that we can have a look at this. Okay, let's just press Control Shift N, and you can see it opens up the private window, and here we have to paste the link, and let's open this up. Okay, so now you can see how it is looking. It says the title, there's no top bar, and it says just another WordPress website. we have 3 main pages. If you just click here, it takes us down, and we have the title here, that is the home, and we have the whole content right here. So you can see how great it is looking. Okay, it is not looking much great, I know, but we will just customize later on. I just wanted to show you how to create pages and how to set up your basic website with the dummy content right here. Okay, so let's just open up the about page. About pages like this, and the contact page, and the contact pages like this. So you can see that our website is kind of like looking like a website. Okay, not it is looking like a professional website, but it is just a basic website. Okay, we haven't done anything. We just created 3 pages, and then we assigned our homepage to be the homepage. And then what we did, we just created a new menu, and then we just use that as this. And that's all we have done. And you can see that website creation is very easy. Okay, if I show you the actual code behind this, then you will see how hard it is to create a website. But thanks to this WordPress, that it has given us everything. Okay, so I want to open up the inspect. Okay, on just clicking, and you can see that this is the code behind this page. You can see how everything is. We have this code for everything. Everything is right here. You can see. So this is what we call as the content area. So now you can see that we are totally done with this creation of pages. In the next video, I'll show you how can you work with the images, how can you add images to your website, and then we're gonna learn about the blog and about how people can comment on your blog and what is a blog basically. So we'll understand this, and then when we will learn everything about WordPress, then I'm gonna show you how can you build professional websites with WordPress. So stay tuned, guys, and bye-bye.